Let us now invite Taha Karmali to address the community regarding the HIC Census with a loud salawat.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Respected scholars, my elders, brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we're blessed to be gathered here in this house of Allah in these blessed nights of the holy month of Ramadan. On behalf of the managing committee, I'd like to take just a few minutes to remind you of something very important that will directly impact our masjid and our ability to serve you better. We are conducting a community census, and we need each and every one of you to take just a few minutes to fill this out. This census is important for understanding the needs of our community, whether it's expanding our programs, improving facilities, or ensuring that our services reach everyone who needs them. By filling out the census, you are helping us plan for the future and making sure that our masjid continues to be a strong and vibrant center for worship, education, and support. Your voice matters, and we truly value your input. Inshallah, you will find the link to the census on the screen right now. You can also find the link in the HIC newsletter and can contact anyone in the MC as needed to get a link. I want to emphasize that it only takes a few minutes to complete this survey, but the impact will last for years to come. Please take the time to complete it today and encourage your friends and family members to do so. If you have any questions, please contact myself, Brother Kumail and Hani Jessa, Irfan Bimji, Ammar Virji, or any member of the MC. May Allah bless you all for your participation and support. Jazakallahu khair. I'd also like to take this opportunity to introduce Qari Zuhair Husseini.